guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the security settings on your accounts on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all you have to enter the Rednote section and then go to these three lines right here, and here you will find the settings section. Click on it and here you will find the account security. As you see here, you will find your mobile, the password. Here you can manage as you want. And that's it. That's how to find the account security easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.